I put an absorbent towel in the toilet and look what happened. I didn't think it would work, but when I tried it, I was delighted. You probably haven't seen this anywhere else, and you'll be crazy when you get to know it. I don't know if you're like me, but I like the bathroom to smell good all the time. When it smells bad, I don't feel comfortable. Although it is normal that when using the bathroom there may be a little bad smell, it is not something pleasant, especially if you have guests. At home, I always keep a smell disinfectant for the bathroom, but when I put it in the toilet, I discovered that the smell goes away when you pull the toilet paper. Another product that I normally use is the aerosol, but the smell is not so long-lasting and goes away after just a few minutes. Looking on the internet, I came across this trick. I tried it and I loved the result. If you don't want anyone to notice the bad smell when they come to your bathroom, pay attention, because now I'll tell you the trick. I'm using an absorbent towel. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. To do this trick, you will also need a couple of things. You can use both scented baby oil or odor essence for this. Both smell spectacular and work very well. In my case, I'm going to use both. Pour a few drops of the oil on the absorbent part of the towel, just as I show you on the screen. After this, take the odor essence and this time pour a good amount. The next thing you should do is stick the absorbent towel in a place where it is not visible, for example, at the bottom of the toilet. In my case, I will put it on a little invisible side because if a curious person wants to see it, he will have to kneel and look at it. With this you will have a fresh and long-lasting fragrance in your bathroom. The combination of the oil and the essence adhere to the absorbent towel, giving a rich, fresh aroma that should last for about a week. And since the towel has a fairly resistant glue, you can be sure it will not fall. I have lasted up to a month with a towel stuck without anyone noticing. And if you are one of those who do not want to stick it under the toilet, you can stick it under the hand washer. This is also a little invisible place that will still serve you. These small techniques will make a big difference, and I hope they will be useful to you. Today's greeting is for Melania Paniagua from Costa Rica and for Delmarina Oliveira from Uruguay. Thank you for watching our videos.